Live and direct, you hear me? But I am the place, Jamaican English on a freestyle ride, you hear me? Watch the rhythm, this one, rude boy. Are you a rude boy with a gun in your hand? You a money hustler and you don't give a damn. Come judgment day, no money and no gun can't stay. Rude boy, run, change your way. Are you a rude boy with a gun in your hand? You a money hustler and you don't give a damn. Come judgment day, no money and no gun can't stay. Rude boy, run, change your way. Man, you get in judge on the hustle of your day. If you reach pearly gates and Peter don't play, just live by the gun and you will die one day. Well, seems like big fun, big number one. Some real bossy shit, but the Lord is a done. And in your life you better think what you've become. You better hold on to your tongue. Limb by limb send them come. Your conscience carries all the days you done wrong. The Lord will bring you to your execution. And come judgment day, cause you won't be no one to rise like the sun. Mr. Run, come tell someone and you will pay him a song. Police and politician, no salvation. That's why we are living in the starvation. Frustration, yes, the whole nation. Read out your Bible and know your education. So I say I taught me not live in a confusion. No segregation, we not in pollution. And stop prostitution. AIDS go round and mess like the four season. Victims get taken off for the wrong reason. No pray with Selassie, I no move with a demon. I mean no move with a she-man. You a rude boy with a gun in your hand. You a money hustler and you don't give a pull up with them rude boy.